In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix E0 error in your HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. This error happens when you have empty ink cartridges and if there is no ink, or if you are not using a setup ink cartridge. Here we can see there is a flashing light and both ink cartridges are flashing as well with the E0 error in HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. So this is a new printer, and this happens if we don't use the setup ink cartridges, or if we have lost a setup ink cartridge with our printer, and if we are trying to use any other ink cartridge, this error will come up. So to remove this error, we simply have to take the ink cartridges out. So these are not the setup ink cartridges, and here we can see the setup ink cartridges. Remove the seal. Also remove the seal. Now install the ink cartridge. Color on the color side, black on the black side. Close the ink cartridge chamber door. We can see the flashing light has stopped and our printer is ready to use. So this way we can fix the E0 error in HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. Thanks for watching.